Hang on. Ah, that's never useful. Alright. Tarbagon is go. Well, not yet. I gotta get over there. There it is. You know, it's surprising the guards hate Opera 2 due to the fact that none of them show up for the recital. So they're just in it for getting paid, I guess.
This is it. Octavio is due to arrive for the opera recital in just a few minutes.
We did a good job taking out the advertising. No one's shown up to listen.
Not even the guards.
No demolition demonstration.
True, but to finish the job, we'll need to take out the main tar vacuum. Use your disguise to gain entry to the opera house. Then head down to the pump room and let me in through the side door.
No problem, signore.
Oh god, that's so horrible. Operation Tarbagon is a go.
Halt! Tell me the daytime password.
Transmitting password.
Alto, alto, bass, bass.
Yep. Don't be long inside. The boss's opera recital is about to start.
And you're not gonna be there.
Stay in disguise here or the operation's a bust.
Hey, you!
Damn.
What's Octavio's house password?
Got it. Here it is.
Tenor soprano, tenor soprano.
Yep. This recital is gonna be a drag. Between you and me, I hate opera. Halt!
Halt.
What was last night's password?
Sending the password, Sly.
Wait a minute, last night? I didn't know there was a last night password.
Alto, tenor, tenor, alto.
Sorry about that. The boss has been practicing for months for this day. He sings great.
Drat! A double button door! I'll think of something. Just give me time.
Hello, boss.
You! I don't recognize you. What's the secret soprano password?
Here's the password, Sly.
Tenor, bass, tenor, tenor.
Okay. Pass a word to the rest of the guards that under no circumstances am I to be disturbed during my big comeback recital.
Yes, sir. I'm certainly looking forward to the performance. Once I'm done in the pump room, I'll be headed out to the stage. If it isn't too much trouble, would you help me with this double button security door?
But of course, for a fellow musical lover, it would be a pleasure. On a 3. 1, 2, 3. Be quick in there. You won't want to miss out.
I'm sure I'm gonna miss out a lot, and I'll be happy about it. What the? Oh, I forgot to put the smoke bomb on.
Psst, Sly! Sly! Over here!
Nice to see you, pal.
Okay, we need to act quickly while the recital is getting underway.
You ready with the bombs?
Once I've destroyed all 6 tar pipes, the vacuum should start to lose suction.
Look, if those bombs attract any guards, let me do the fighting. You just focus on taking out the tar pipes. We need to stay on schedule. Looks tough. Might take some more bombs.
I think I'm killing Sly too. I mean, not the game, just Sly himself, because he's getting in the bomb's way. Nice, genius. Why don't you steer clear of my demolition? Damn it, boy, you're gonna get yourself killed.
This is getting serious. Better hurry it up with those pipes.
Hold your horses.
Just one pipe left.
Nice work, partner. Is there still time to catch Octavio's recital?
We're right on schedule. If my calculations are correct, he should be about to perform an aria originally written as a duet. That's when we strike.
Think he'll really let you on stage with him?
Of course, he's a musician. He'll be overjoyed to have a lyrical counterpoint.
Uh-oh.
Just be ready to drop the chandelier when I've lured him underneath.
That doesn't look good. The black line has appeared on the TV screen. Oh well, don't worry about it. It should be fine. Or should it? Hello. Yeah.
Ah, Mr. Tomato Fertilizer. You got a death wish.
I couldn't resist showing you up at what you treasure most. Opera singing.
You're a vocalist. Fine. A duet is coming up. We'll sing it first, and then I'll gut you.
Bring it on, Grandpa. I'll sing you under the table.
Who's Latero? I don't know if he is wanted. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you could please cover your ears.